Hi everyone, it's Carolyn from True Crime Chat with Mommy Ramblings, and I'm here with an update in the Vallow Daybell case. As we discussed this week, Lori had an arraignment hearing today where she would enter a plea of guilty or not guilty. No surprises here on the plea that she entered of not guilty. So this is going to be a brief update about that. It was a very brief court appearance with the Lori appearing in the court and the prosecutor appearing via Zoom, everybody connected through the Zoom. So you see the judge, the court reporter, Rob Wood, and Mark Means, along with Lori. So let's take a look at what happened here. If you're brand new to our channel, we are a full lifestyle channel with an emphasis on true crime. Love you to subscribe to us and become part of the best community on YouTube, and you can do that by clicking the subscribe button in the lower corner of the video. But let's now take a look at what happened. So Lori Vallow Daybell appeared today before the judge and pleaded not guilty to 2 felony charges. Her case is now going to go to a jury trial, and we'll talk about that date. Lori appeared via Zoom before District Judge Dane H. Watkins, Jr., who summarized the 2 felony counts of conspiracy to commit destruction, alteration, or concealment of evidence. Seated next to her was her attorney, Mark Means. Lori showed little emotion during the 5-minute hearing. She was dressed in a blue sweater as she sat behind the defendant's table. She was wearing a medical mask over her face. Lori's attorney, Mark Means, entered the not guilty plea for Lori, and then the judge talked about the jury trial with the lawyers, and a trial is set to begin now on April 2nd with a pretrial conference on March 22nd. Of course, that is in the year 2021. Now, Mark Means has 60 days to file a motion if he wants to change the venue for Lori's trial. And let's not forget that earlier in the month, Special Prosecutor Rob Wood asked that both trials be combined for efficiency, meaning Chad Daybell's and Lori Daybell's. He said in a motion that he expects to use the same evidence and witnesses in both trials. Watkins and District Judge Stephen Boyce, who presides over Chad's case, have not made any ruling on combining the trials, so we have to wait on that. And that is about the size of it for now. Like I said, this is a very short hearing. We knew she was going to plead not guilty. We know Chad pled not guilty. And now they're faced with, trials next year. So we'll see what happens. In the meantime, there is, if you're looking for some updates, there was a cellmate, which this is in one of our lives, and I did put a timestamp on it, that spoke about Lori when she was in jail with her for 4 days. And she told about, kind of Lori being very full of herself and asking this cellmate, but she wasn't really a cellmate, she was podmate, to watch the news with her. And look, she said, we have a pandemic and we have this and we have that, and I'm the top story, I'm the one that everybody wants to watch, and all this baloney. So she's really full of herself, and she likes that jail much better than the one in Hawaii, which she said had roaches all over the floor. But that's about the size of it. And last night in the live, we went over a little bit of what the guardian ad litem in Tylee's custody case had to say, and you might find that interesting. You can go back to last night's live for that. Everybody have a great day and be safe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.